welcome back. Episode 8 of the Rad Skate Park Check-In New York City edition. Today we have a special treat for you. We will be skating with Tolentino and Sammy Garcia. It's gonna be a rad time here at Maloof Skate Park here in Queens, Flushing, Queens, I believe. Let's get in this place and show you what it's all about. Come on in. Now we're in it. Maloof, you got a curb here. You see these in the street everywhere. Come here, ollie up the curb, try to do axle stalls. If you're a beginner, try stuff on the curb. And then eventually you work your way to the boxes and rails and stuff. Just wanted to show you this wide open section. It's just wide open. Check it out. Got this section right here. The bank, got this little ledge on top. You also have this little quarter pipe area, bowl section. And a hip right there. Manual top box you have right in this whole section. Showed you that section up there, and now you have this section over here. Ledge, rail connected to the 3-set. Hi! Hubba. Three-set bank connected to another 3. Big manual pad box. You could come from that direction. Hit the bigger side. Yeah. Yes. Or hit it on the flat on that side. I really am. mirror image on this side of the park what I just showed you on that side of the park. But there is this box down here that I didn't show you, which is a little bit smaller than that other box right there. That's Nick, my friend.
My dad and him watch your videos every day at work.
Who?
My dad and him.
Really? Are you guys related?
Yeah.
Say what's up, bro.
Hi.
Say hi to your dad.
Hi, Dad.
There it is.
Thank you.
You got it, bro.
Now that is different.
Just showed you this section. Now we're on this part. You have this grate here, I believe mimicking the globe, the famous spot over there. Flushing Queens, ledges, and the grates. I like this box. It's different. You don't usually see it. And it's connected to this wall. And then you have like 2 wall rides. And then you can even get on top, slash it like a wave, do whatever you want to do here. This is what you got right here. Come this way. The ledges connected, still in the park, out of the park, in the park. There you have it. Right here, nice ledge, A-frame, ledge, hubba, whatever you want to call it. Oh, young man! What? Get your big boy pants on. This is the bigger section of the park. Everything we showed you was beginner, intermediate. Here you have a 5-stair rail, 2 ledges, hubbas, and banks, all connected. Right next to this set, you have a 6-stair. This one's got a square handrail. And then you have the 9 set, but this is a big rail. Big Euro gap. And then, you know, up here, manual pad here, tiny bank, it's connected. Find your flow. If you want to just kick it up here and do flat ground tricks, hang out up here. I don't think anyone's gonna bother you, so don't be afraid to come to the skate park. But yo, Maloof, ground report. This ground here, thumbs up, stamp of approval. Doesn't get much better than this. I love it here. Ground report, A+.
Are you guys YouTubers?
Absolutely.
What's your channel?
Rad Boardsport Company.
Okay.
Where's the phone?
I'm gonna get it.
Like and subscribe. Now you're in the video. Say hi. Hey. That's how you do it, folks. We're on YouTube, bro. Say hi to yourself.
Yeah. What's the channel? It's good.
Rad Boardsport Co.
Help me.
Can I get a ride all day?
Ride all day. Ride all day. Ride all day.
What are you guys gonna do?
Ride all day.
That's right. Now go get yourselves a skateboard. You guys still watching? Wow. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable.
Thank you, Lewis, Sammy, throwing down, shredding at the Maloof skate park. Thank you guys.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it, man. Hell yes. Thank you. Hell yes.
Shredders.
Thank you, sir. It ain't right if it's your dad.
Yo, if you are still watching this and you like the video, hit that button. Please subscribe. Hit that button. Follow us on Instagram at Rad Boardsport Co. Facebook, you can find us same-ish, Rad Boardsport Co. And if you like the merchandise, you can find that at www.radboardsport.co. That's global. Thank you for watching. Ride all day. Peace out.
New York Street Talk, America's best. So I'm not new to this, I'm true to this.
You know, I think that everyone should be conscious enough to take out the trash, pick it up, you know? Just pick it up and just throw it out so we can look like we care. We care about this skate park, you know? We care about it. Just pick it up, pick up the trash, you know? You care. You want to keep the park, you know? You want to be grateful, you know?